Redoing these because I think my video ran out. I don't know. GTO. Yes. That does have it now. 65. Newer Mustang, 69. Husband and wife. These two here are owned by the same person. I didn't see him pull in, so I don't know if it's husband and wife or.
Wait, what is that, Bob?
That's a Volkswagen.
Let me see.
That's a Volkswagen.
Best in show.
75 Duster. And then this one and this Mustang beside it, owned by the same person. 69 Firebird. The Harley Haven car show up here, hosted at the Harley Haven. Hear the live band in the background. $202-mile-per-hour car there, top end, they say.
This one? Okay, so that one would be...
458 Spider.
And the Mordecai.
Newer model, signed by Richard Petty, he says. 74 Volkswagen. Owned by our resident, I'm thinking of the word evangelist. Oh, why am I thinking of the word evangelist? What's the word I'm fishing for? No, come on now.
Exotic. Yeah. Well, did you get the...
It's owned by Todd. See Todd at a couple car shows. He's pretty much regular. Dr. Daryl Branham in his 64. Dr. D, 64. Comes off orange there with the light, which it's not. The old Duster. Ed's Ford. Ed's not talking with his wife. Okay? It's all about Ed and not about this is a nice 55, a 55. His burgers getting, hot dogs getting stale out there. Nice red and white interior. Very tastefully done. It's a heating and air conditioning man. Seen him at a couple shows. Another classic Bug. Beast right here. And this place was filled with 3 or 4, just didn't get them early enough. They weren't participants, but we're here for the show. There were 3 or 4 Ferraris here. This is a 63 Rolls Royce, from what I understand. The Concourse Rolls Royce, most expensive or something. It's got some accolades behind it. Certainly a 80-some thousand original miles on it. It's too windy. He had the card stock up to identify all the specifics about the car, but it blew down. Not part of the show, but nice car there. He brought it in. A lot of nice cars that come and gone, but hear those bikes in the background. This event being hosted here at the Harley Haven, Irmo, South Carolina. Step inside the dealership in a moment. Take a listen to the, these guys are not a band out here, but they just got together to put some music together for the event. Food truck here serving hot dogs and barbecue, French fries. Pelican Ice.